Okay, this is the news that's just coming in. The cabinet has cleared the UPA's game changer food security bill. It's been cleared without any changes, it seems. What it says is that 5 kgs of rice at 3 rupees a kilo and wheat at 2 rupees a kilo, or coarse cereals at ₹1 per kilo per person per month will be given, and uniform coverage to 67% of the total population. And it does away with the below poverty line and above poverty line distinction. Let's find out more from CNN IBN's Meetu Jain. Meetu, confirm to us that the cabinet has cleared the food bill without any changes at all.
That's right. That's what we are being told. In fact, A.V. Thomas has just told us that because Parliament is in session, more details won't be given out. But yes, from what we understand, the bill will be likely to be tabled in the Lok Sabha on Friday. That's the sense we are getting. Of course, given the uncertainty at the moment, we don't know. But yes, the sense is that it will be coming up in the Lok Sabha on Friday. The bill has been cleared without any changes. All the recommendations that were made by the Food Ministry have been accepted in toto. And remember, it was a very, very lengthy cabinet that was held. It took over 1 hour because all the views of various players had to be taken into consideration, is what ministers are telling us. But yes, it is what the UPA would hope a game changer scheme, and the implication, of course, the finance ministry is not very happy about it, is what sources are telling us. The implication would be 1,25,000 crore rupees would be the financial implication of this bill when it comes up.
1,25,000 crore. Meetu, confirm to us what the food bill essentially promises.
Well, essentially, it is now everybody has a legal right, that are rather 67% of the people of this country would have legal right for food security. If that is not provided, they can take legal recourse. That is the big enabling, empowering legislation that the government wants to give to the people. 5 kgs of grains would be provided per person. Right. And so these are the details that are already there in the public domain. But the essential thing is that for the UPA, it is a game-changing legislation that they are hoping, something on the lines of right to education, or right to information, and now food. Essentially, people will have the right to food. And if this right is denied to them, they can take legal recourse. Right. Of course, the states will also have to adopt it. There will be the legal redress at the state level as well. But yes, at the moment, it is a bill that the UPA hopes would bring it a lot of advantages.
All right.